Chief Minister Conrad Sangma unveiled the foundation plaque for the Shillong Ropeway project at Shillong Peak Viewpoint. The Rs 175 crore project, originally launched by President Draupadi Murmu in January this year, will be implemented in partnership with French company Poma, which will supply key equipment. Key attendees included Tourism Minister Paul Lingdor, MTDC Chairman Sanbor Shulai, Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, Commissioner and Secretary Tourism Dr. Vijay Kumar D, and Tourism Director Cyril V.D. Dingdo. Construction has been awarded to KEC International Limited and the Tantia Construction Limited JV. The CM officially handed over the letter of acceptance to the firm, marking the start of work on Meghalaya's first passenger ropeway aimed at boosting tourism infrastructure. During the event, the Chief Minister also handed over Rs 1.5 crore, the second installment of Rs 3 crore, as land compensation to Ryat Laban Dorbar Palun. He highlighted the challenges including land acquisition and permissions and credited community stakeholders, the armed forces and the Air Force for their cooperation. The ropeway will connect Laban, Madan Laban, Lumparing, Oxford Hills and Rungi Shillong. Alternate routes, including a 4-kilometer road linking Upper Shillong to the landing site at Madan Laban, are planned to ease traffic congestion.
People to greater heights. This project today of this ropeway is just the beginning. Just last night, after many programs we had all day and all afternoon, we had a very constructive meeting along with the technical partners that are helping us in this project of how we could expand this tourism ropeway and further go into making the ropeway as a model or a mode of urban transportation. So can you imagine having a cable car for public transportation, say from a location like Laimukra Dankiti, going into Barek and going into PB. So therefore you'll be having continuous cabins that will carry people along this line, and obviously we will see the reduction in traffic in that sense. Further, we can imagine if that line goes into Polo and then further it goes on to other side towards Maulai and to Barabazar, and even from our terminal here in Laban to connect to this urban ropeway. Of course, a very big dream, a very big thought, but as I said, we are here to dream big. We are here to do big things. And therefore, we will start. We may have to start small, but it will be one step at a time because we want to be realistic in the way we move forward. But this is one project that is really something that we want to do. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but we are really desiring to push this forward. Let us hope and see how this particular project moves forward, and then we will work towards seeing how we could make this also a part of urban transport. We feel that it could be one of the best ways for us to give an alternative transport mode to our people. Not an easy project, very complicated, very difficult, and of course expensive, but it will be a game changer in terms of the overall traffic scenario in our city.